Hey guys, tomorrow is race day. $1,000 cash money race in Lakeland at the airport. It's going to be in a hangar. Me, Boo Boo, and Chris Bevan, Flykux, who is the Southeast Regional Champion, are going to take a road trip, and you are going to come along. I'm going to be racing my Rebel 5S packs tomorrow. My beautiful Win 5s on race flight, or potentially my 2.5 inch on 2.3 inch A-Vans. My beautiful new Tarango is going to be the radio that I rock, and I'll be testing out rapid fire in that environment. Come along for the journey. I'll see you guys in the morning. I'd take Olive for a walk before go drone racing. I saw pictures and videos of where we're going to be racing. And I know I said this before, but it's a freaking airport hangar with a MiG in it. Like a Russian army jet, like a fighter jet. Just get ready for racing. I like my coffee to taste like hot chocolate. Is there something wrong with that? I don't think so. I guess maybe one day I'll be a grown man like my father and drink that shit straight black, but that ain't today. Today I'm gonna drink it like my mother. Who is that? Alright, you guys gotta deal with some GoPro vlogging today.
It's money, money, money day.
And that's what we're dealing with today. So
it's okay, I'll build a Ford G1 after today.
So this is my first time congratulating my friend here on being the Southeast Regional Champion. He is like the fastest guy in the Southeast. And who keeps him that way? Us.
Yeah,
us.
This is the crew.
We're responsible for him being that fast. Not really. He puts so much sim time in, but whatever.
So that they'll compete for second place and they'll fight as well to try to get up ahead, right? To make it as interesting as possible.
Well, because you're not worried about anybody competing for first. I'll fucking just knock your ass out of the sky and give it to Jake. If it's 1, 2, 3,
Yo, good luck, dude. Bear's bringing my cat ears. He 3D printed me cat ears to put on the top of my quad.
They won't make you go faster.
I don't know, dude. We'll see. I've been your shit before.
We don't know whose quads are fastest. I mean, where you excel is the, oh shit, I'm not lined up perfectly. Let me do a backflip. Okay, I got the gate. I'm gone. So that's going to take us just to I-4. And then I-4 straight. Now coming back's going to suck just because Lakeland to Orlando is bullshit.
And once I leave Vito, I'm lost.
I've been in this since we started with 3-cell, and I can remember racing 8-foot gates with 3-cell. And no, you're full throttle. And you're hitting full throttle and going 40 miles an hour. It hit bottom, but the quad wouldn't pull out of it. I thought that was super fast. Then the GoPro videos blurring. That's what comments are supposed to do.
He took a napkin design off a Facebook post, created a sim track, and then simmed it all fucking night. This is the regional champion we're talking about.
It didn't share. It didn't be like, hey.
Nobody else has the track. Not that any of us would have ever simmed it.
Fly it together.
But now the sim master has sim time on a track that nobody else has even seen yet. Jay Dos Santos, I'm looking at you. I don't know. I sweat pretty easily. Go faster, Will. What up, bro? We're here to take that money, huh? You see what kind of talent we got out here today? Sheepers came out of the closet. Sheepers.
I haven't been out long.
I know. Even dragged the antiques out, the fast ones though.
Yeah, I even brought back and commissioned the shorts. The shorts are back too.
We have the one and only Miss Sarai.
Tyler, can you spot?
Yeah, of course.
Guys, right behind you.
Which quad are you?
Me?
Yeah, which props?
It has like yellow props.
Okay, I got you.
Thank you.
Yellow props, I'm spotting somebody. Round in, started off great quality video, and then I had a blackout on mode 1 with the rapid fire. So McFly, being the awesome son of a gun that he is, was like, yo bro, I got my laptop and the ability to update your shit right here. So he put the new update, which has mode 2 on it. And after watching a few practice rounds of other people, it's definitely not as good as mode 1, but if I don't have to deal with a blackout screen, then I will take that kind of quality all day.
This is what you guys are all getting beat with.
He's crushing our souls with a 3-inch. What's up, Dale? Say hi to the vlog. How we doing? This is Dale Flies, guy. He's gonna be whipping everyone's ass real soon. I was 6th fastest in Florida. Really? Yep. Say hi to the vlog, boo. All right, how you doing, old man?
Terrible.
Oh, number 1, lap 1. Oh, looks like Nightfire with the ghost. That little quad is not giving up. Get back there, little guy. Take my prop wash. All right, lap 3.
And he arms it.
I said do not arm that one.
Round 1 for me is over. I finished with 5 laps. Right now, the fastest guy has 6 laps. I only need to push it a little bit more. I was probably halfway around the track whenever the timer went off, and I was really babying it. I kept getting hit by people. There was a lot of passing back and forth in traffic. My dog Barrett here has really stepped his game up. I'm so impressed with how well he's flying today. There's gonna be a lot of battling right here. So yeah, look for a lot of good GoPro video between me and him over the coming minutes. But yeah, the track, I mean, it's nice. It flows. The video problems are minimal with the rapid fire on mode 2. So no complaints. Just pick it up a little bit, try and get out in front of the traffic so that there's little passing, but we all know how that goes, so we'll see. I missed 6 laps by half a turn. What up, buddy? And really, I pushed it hard the first couple laps, and then I kind of backed off. The nerves started to set in. I don't know why, because I was actually running really good. So you'll notice in that video, I definitely slowed down some, but somehow I only missed it by an 1/8 or a 1/10 of a lap. I mean, I was a second or 2 seconds from getting the 6 laps. So in the last round, I'm gonna try and pick it up a little bit more, try and get there, but really I just need to finish the 5 laps for sure to give myself a shot at top 4 or a tiebreaker to get into top 4, so that then I can push in the race for the money. Because when the money's on the line, there's no more points to be counted. It's time to nut up or shut up type deal. So that's what we're gonna do. I crashed trying to push for 6, had a prop that was literally throwing gang signs at me, and finished with a pretty good solid 5. Was able to catch the leader and pretty much finish right with him, even with my terrible crash. This puts me tied for 4th now. Top 4, move on to race off. Barrett and I are tied for 4th. There are 2 guys still to go that could both potentially tie us, or if they get 6 laps each, they both could knock us out of being tied for 4th. So as of right now, for me, it's a waiting game. I'll see if I'm gonna race off to be in the top 4. If I do, I'm not feeling real good about my chances. Myself, Felix or Cloudburn FPV, and then David Knight, Night Flyer of Race Day Quads are all around the same pace today. So that would be a really tight race, and I would need to get my nerves out and just race my race. So we'll see what happens. Me, Barrett, and Felix all tied with a 15. All 3 of us got 3 5s. All 3 of us paced around the same for our 5s, so this is going to be a really close race. We'll see what happens. Fucking teacher, so do it, bro. Alright, Violet, looking for thumbs up. Couldn't ever really recover and get into a groove. Was kind of pushing myself to uncomfortable speeds. Broke my quad. So that basically puts me in 6th place for the day out of 26 or so pilots. I crashed on lap 2, I think. I crashed on lap 2 too. So yeah, it's okay. Yeah, so I'll take 6th place officially for the day. Barrett will take 5th. Great job to everybody. Great event.
I gotta get you my bro.
Much love, brother. Congratulations. What a great event. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It's been such a good time out here today, and I hope that this really kind of gives you a glimpse into what life is like at a relatively big FPV event. So until next time.